Hello, thank you for clicking on this video, how to build a funnel. So let's just get right to it. I'm going to share my screen. All right, first up. So I want to show you a little bit about the tool that I'm using to build funnels, and it's called the Home Business Academy. And basically what it is it's a website that has 4 different products. Okay, so this company called the Home Business Academy, they offer these 4 products. I'm going to show you a tool called the Funnel Builder. So as you can see right here, it says Funnel Builder Academy. So here is where you click to log into the Funnel Builder tool, and then it'll bring you to a separate page. But first I want to show you a little bit about what is on this other page as well. So this is like the main dashboard when you log in. So if you decide to go with the Home Business Academy as your funnel builder, because there's a lot of different funnel builder options out there, it costs $25 for the Funnel Builder tool, just the Funnel Builder tool. These other ones you see up here, these are separate products. So in the Funnel Builder tool itself for $25 a month, which is a really good price, it shows you here the Funnel Builder first steps. So you've got a welcome video, join our private community groups, 3 simple steps to building any business online. And that's what's awesome about this, is that it's for any type of business. It trains you on how to build a funnel. It doesn't matter what kind of business you have, whether it's a digital download business like myself, whether it's a brick and mortar business, whether you offer services or you're shipping physical products, you can do that all with this platform. And you need a funnel to be able to sell anything online. So here's your Funnel Builder setup. So it literally, with each one, you can see, it walks you through tips on picking a great domain and integration. And below each video, it has this little cheat sheet that basically tells you kind of the essentials from within the video. And then you can click to go to the next training module, or you can come over here and do that. So they really set you up in a very concise manner. Business email, autoresponder integration with Funnel Builder. This is an in-depth sort of setup for your domain and autoresponder. And then here you have Funnel Builder training and FAQ, which is so awesome. Like, as you can see, mobile optimization tips, how to create a hero page, URL redirects. Let's see. Selling your own products, membership sites. Like, you can do so much with this builder. It's crazy. You can even book appointments. So a lot of these features you can get combined with other, you can get multiple softwares combined. And a lot of these companies that provide these services charge way more than $25 a month. So I just wanted to briefly show you what this looks like, and it's really easy. Just watch a video, follow along. That's how I learn the best, by watching and then I can pause the video and take the action step. I feel like, based on my experience, that's how you really learn a new skill. So now we're going to pop over here. Let's see if it'll let me do that here. So we're going to go back in, and I'm going to show you. So here's where we actually log in. So I'll take you into my tool. Now, I'm going to show you the funnels that I got. Okay? So I have 3 different funnels. So it's very easy to use. And I'm going to show you an example of what one looks like. So here we go. So this is like a landing page, I guess you could call it, or a capture page. So it's very simple. And this is very easy to manipulate and change, and I'll show you on a new one how we do that. But so here is a place where someone can come in, enter their name and their email, and get some more information about something. So here they click, and what is a funnel? Well, the funnel now takes this person from, I'm interested in learning about what you have, and it takes them to the next step of the funnel, which in this case looks like this. Awesome, you're 1 step closer. Watch the video below. And here's a little video of me that I recorded. And here is this is the solution you've been looking for. Check your email and look for a message from me. And then here's a little blurb about me, who I am, and that's all it is. And so when they go check their email, they'll have whatever they requested, whether that's a digital download or a video or whatever the case may be. So that's an example of a funnel. Here's another example of a funnel. So this is the type of campaign where here the person would like to receive this ebook from me. Gluten-free and refined sugar-free treats and snacks. So this is an ebook that I just made. Somebody wants it. They've seen me talk about it on my Instagram story or on Facebook, or even talking about it in a YouTube video, and then there's a link to this funnel. Then they put in their name, their email, they click the button, and it brings them to the next phase of the funnel. Thank you for grabbing my ebook. I sent it to your email, but first check out this video. Here's a video of me talking. Your ebook is waiting for you. It's the same, a little bit different, but the same sort of format, because I feel like I like the way this looks. It's really simple and easy. And then here, this gives the person an option. It says, and one last thing before you go. Everyone who loves this recipe book also loves the resource below. Be sure to check it out right now. Check it out. Then you click on this, and what do you think that takes the person to? It takes them to this funnel. It takes them here. And this is my other free digital download on sobriety. So if someone's interested in a gluten-free, sugar-free lifestyle, they may also be interested in trying the alcohol-free life and getting rid of that toxin. So they would be really interested. This is a good recommendation for someone. If they're not interested, whatever, they just click out of this page. If they are, then they can enter their name and their email. So then where does that take them, you may ask? Well, it depends on where you tell it to take them. So you can tell it, it's like an edit settings area right here. So this tells the person where, it tells the system where this person is going to go. So here it says next funnel step. And down below here it says get response settings. Get response is a email automation tool or an autoresponder. There's a lot of them out there. Get response is really highly rated, so I decided to go with it. So when you click on the get response settings, it says select get response list to receive submitted emails, and I selected funnel builder tool. So essentially what that means is in my get response account, I have a list there, and people's emails and names that want this guide, it goes into that email list. So instead of having all of your contacts for your business on Instagram or whatever social media platform you use, you're taking those people off of those social media platforms and you're creating an email list. And an autoresponder is something I'll talk about in another video, but an autoresponder is a necessity to have if you're trying to build a digital download business, because it keeps all of your contacts. And then you can do really cool stuff, like you can set emails to automatically go out to those people to inform them of new products that you have. You can send them educational content in the form of a newsletter, just updates on when are your YouTube videos coming out. Anything that you're creating, that is your email list, and you get to announce things to them and give them all of your knowledge. So it's really awesome and it's very integral. So that's a very, very fast overview of what a funnel, how a funnel looks within the HBA platform. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make one. So right here you can see this is one funnel, and then there's a line, and it has this little gray box here. So this is telling me this is one product or one funnel, and this is another one, and this is a third one. So within HBA, you can have as many funnels as you want, and that's what's super cool. There's no max on how many funnels you can have. So if I go add a step, and I put in a section label, so say my new product is on another product that I use called the Digital Wealth Academy. So we're going to create a funnel for that. Okay, so now let's put that section break in there. And now you're adding a new step. You're going to add a page. And they have all of these templates, you guys. So many templates. We're going to go to a simple one just for the sake of this demonstration. So here you have a simple funnel, the opt-in page. All right, so we're going to select that. What are you going to call it? You're going to call it, say, capture, or no, you'll call it DWA, Digital Wealth Academy. And it has its own URL, website.com, which is your custom domain with DWA at the end. Okay, so we're going to add that. So this is what this template looks like. You can see it's very simple. Here's how you can change it. And it gives you a hint, like free thing reveals. So you can say, what can you say? Okay, say the product. So it's HBA, DWA is a marketing, like social media marketing. So how to grow on social media using Reels, because that's a lot of what they teach in that program. How to batch create content. So this is like a subheading, without spending hours behind the computer or something. And then fill out your best email so I can send the info. You can change that to put your email below to receive more information. Okay, and so say you don't like this orange, well, you just double click it. You're gonna come over to text color. You can literally choose whatever color, like any color you want, okay? So we'll go like this. Awesome. Don't like that font, so I'm gonna come over here. Let's see, it's at 40, so say I want it to be a little smaller, and I don't like that font, so I want it to be this one. Okay, cool. What else? I think that's good. Maybe, do I want it bolded? I'm not sure. Yeah, let's do bold. Okay, so now this one, same thing. It's like, okay, oh, that one's fine. Oh, let's do Open Source Pro. Okay, let's make that a little bit darker of the same purple. I think that's really fun. Okay, and now I'm gonna emphasize this by turning it into an italic, and we'll reduce the size, maybe a little bit. Okay, and with this one, you go to edit styling, and I want to, let's see. Oh, it's telling me to save. So you have to make sure you save. And then here it's like edit the styling. Okay, so the button. I want to change how the button looks. I don't want it to be orange. I want it to be like this cool fuchsia pink. The text style, let's do open sans, bold, cool. Top out of there. Now you've got a purple button. Like, this is so drag and drop, you guys. It's so easy. It's like the easiest thing ever. I mean, building these sort of things from scratch, if you don't know what you're doing, that's a whole other ball game. It's so easy. It's unbelievable. Here's your settings for the form. This is where you start making the connections between the capture page, the bridge page, and that's something I can get into in another video, like a really comprehensive lesson on what exactly is a funnel, like funnel anatomy and physiology, basically. But I just wanted to show you guys how quick it is to just get something rolling. And then you can save that. Come back here. And there's your first page of the funnel. To add a second page, which typically with a funnel would be a bridge page, which basically is saying, hi, I have received your request to learn more information or to get a PDF from me. And this one is that thank you page I showed you, right? You saw mine and how different it looked than this. It's the same template, but I personalized it. I changed everything other than like the main sort of layout, right? I got rid of this. I totally changed all the fonts. I changed the colors. I got rid of this thing. So that is how easy it is to put together a funnel. And say you're like, yeah, I really don't like that. I just want to start over. Delete. Yep. Yes, I'm sure. Okay. And then you can just start fresh. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this super quick video on how to build a super basic and fast funnel with the Home Business Academy. And my name is Rachel Graham. I'm a registered nurse. I am a digital creator and I'm a mom. And I create videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, educating you guys on things like this. Also on preventative wellness tips and tricks, things I've learned along the way, things I know as a registered nurse. And my mission is basically to educate you guys on all of the knowledge that I have in hopes that it can help somebody live a healthier and more productive life, prevent diseases that are easily preventable with lifestyle change. Not that it's easy, but there's solutions. And then, of course, to share along the way of my journey with building a digital product business. So I just want to share everything that I learn as I go, and this is one of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.